So if you're thinking of moving to Clovis, California, and a price of under $400,000 in downtown Clovis is important to you, remodeled, potential RV parking close to Clovis Unified and literally across Weldon Elementary, stay to the end. Welcome to 250 Oxford Avenue. This is Rufialday. We get a lot of calls of people wanting to move or relocate to Clovis, California on a daily basis. So if any of this piques your interest, please do call us, text us, email us, send a carrier pigeon, whatever your heart's desires you're comfortable with. We love sharing this information, and be aware that we have your back on any information. I've been here since 1985 and love the city, and I have the honor to showcase again another beautiful home today, 250 Oxford Avenue. Welcome in. And so we wanted to just feature, before we go into the house at 250 Oxford, again, a benefit. Location, location, location. We are only blocks away from behind me. It's downtown Clovis, and today it's crazy down here. We actually have one of the most attended features in downtown Clovis is Big Hat Days. We're expecting thousands. And so location, 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 250 Oxford. Expect the thousands of people behind us, and we're only blocks away. Updated new interior paint. You gotta love this warm, soothing fireplace. We also have dual pane windows throughout the home, so energy efficiency. Let's tour into the kitchen area. This is a 2-bedroom plus a bonus area. That's one of the great features of this home. Take a look at this great update. Nice and airy. The appliances are included. Take a look at the vast countertops, clean. Here's an area that could be deemed as a dining room or bonus area. We do have an updated bathroom here located to my left, barnyard door, and access to the backyard. You're gonna love this backyard. And this is over 7,000 square feet. Look how massive the yard. You do not see this into the front yard. So want to give you a sneak peek on just how gorgeous, clean, and vast this backyard is. And to the side, we actually have a room for a potential like small boat, trailer. You can cement this part in, hinge the fence off to the corner there, and have that option. It's extremely rare because you don't see that within a quarter-mile radius of this particular home. Into the bedrooms, take a look at the detail. We have updated flooring throughout. We do have a shower, full bath here into the hallway. What's unique and charming of these homes, you have built-in cabinets. This was built in 1958, but it has been updated throughout. Like I mentioned, especially the $6,000 upgrade of electrical throughout. Here's a unique feature. We have a door in one of the bedrooms that goes out to the backyard. Again, ample storage space, and you'll see here storage units built in, an indication of those homes built in the 1950s, but this one has the charm, but it's also updated. And if anything here piques your interest, we'd love to connect with you. Please do call me, text message, email, or like I said, send a carrier pigeon. We would love to show you this particular property. We love this area. We get calls relocating this area every day, and we would be honored to showcase, especially 250 Oxford Avenue. Got a couple of quick summaries again. We have a $6,000 upgrade in electrical. We have a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, plus that bonus room that can be converted into a 3-bedroom should you desire. We also have a vast backyard that we mentioned just briefly. If not, I will mention to you that it's eligible to put an ADU, accessory dwellers unit, into the backyard. We do have the paperwork for Clovis. We also mentioned we have updated dual pane windows throughout. The air conditioning is only about 2017, very energy efficient. All the appliances are included, and we've got it all turnkey, just move-in ready for you. So if you want any further information, we're glad to help you. 250 Oxford Avenue. God bless.